Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PH and Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello guys, so in this block of program you are asked to copy a string but without using the function. In string we know that if you want to copy a string we do have a direct function for that, right? But here I don't want to use that direct function. I don't want to make my work easy. So how, without using a particular function, predefined function, how we can copy a string? Let's see through this code. Okay, so now first of all I will take two strings. One will be my original string and one will be the copy, the string where the copy will get stored. Okay, so let's take S1 and S2 for both the string. Here I will take 100 size and here then S2, this will be my copy string. Okay, S2, right? Now after this I will take the string from the user, so enter the string. Okay, here this will get stored in my here I will use fget, right? Fget, here S1, it is getting stored in my S1, size of S1. Okay, this is the proper syntax of fgets, right? And then stdin, it is taking the input. Now I will use a for loop. One by one it will read the character and one by one it will get stored in my copy string, that is my S2. Okay, so now here I will take let's take I is equal to 0. I is here S1 I till the time it is not getting equal to the end, means /0, till the time it is getting ending part, till the time it should run I plus plus. Then so here I will write, now that I have given for loop, let's initialize I over here. So I, now in this for loop I am going to read the characters one by one. I will store the copy into S2. Right, so here comes the concept of assignment operator. Whatever will be the S1 one by one character, it is getting assigned to my S2. So directly I can write a statement like this. I, here it will get is equal to S1 I. So whatever one by one, whatever is coming in S1, it is getting stored in my S2. Right, in int also, whenever we work with integer numbers, there also we used to do the same. Whenever we want to take the one variable value and we want to store in it another, there also we used to do the same thing, assign using an assignment operator. Here also I want to do the same thing. I want to store the string into another string, so therefore like this, right? Now after this S2 I here is equal to end. After that I don't want anything, therefore I am ending this string. Okay, and after this I am just print it. Okay, now I do want to see the output in the console, right? So therefore I am printing copy. Let's take copy string is, here I will take %s and here I will pass S2. Okay, like this. Let's check whether my code is right or not. See, enter the string. Let's take again let's take PHN. See, copy string is PHN. Again let's take something else. Let's say technology. See, copy string is technology. So what I have done basically here, only by using your for loop you are able to you're able to copy the string. Okay, so this is how you can work with your strings and you can do operations in your particular string. Okay, so this was your complete solution of the program. Hope you have understood the program. So for now, thank you and goodbye.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.